Finally, Slovak self-propelled gun Zuzana II arrived in Ukraine to counter Russia. Slovakia has signed a contract with Ukraine for the delivery of Zuzana II 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzers. Citing information from the Slovak Ministry of Defense, Ukraine took delivery of 4 Zuzana II 155mm wheeled self-propelled howitzers out of the 8 ordered. Since the invasion of Ukraine by the Russian armed forces, Slovakia has already delivered 10 million L, 2,200,000 imp gal, 2,600,000 US gal, of petrol, 2.6 million L, 570,000 imp gal, 690,000 US gal, of kerosene jet fuel for aircraft, 12,000 rounds of 120mm ammunition, 486 air defense systems, 100 air defense launchers and anti-tank missiles, 1 S-300 air defense missile system, thousands of 122mm Grad rockets, 4 Mi-17 helicopters and 1 Mi-2 helicopter. The Zuzana II is a wheeled 155mm self-propelled howitzer fully designed and developed by the Slovak company Konstrukta Defence. This artillery system consists of one 155mm/52 caliber gun mounted on a TATRA 815 8x8 truck chassis. The Zuzana II has a very unique design with the artillery weapon system fitted in a fully enclosed turret mounted on a TATRA 815 8x8 truck chassis with the driver's compartment at the front and the engine compartment at the rear. The turret is in 2 parts with the 152mm ordnance being mounted in the aisle between them. Each half of the turret is fully enclosed and is provided with access doors, roof hatches, and vision devices. The Zuzana II is fitted with an automatic loading system that enables a maximum firing range in automatic mode of 5 rounds per minute or 5 rounds in 1 minute. It also has the capacity to fire 2 rounds per minute in manual mode. It carries a total of 40 projectiles and charges. Of the 40 charges carried, 30 are in the automatic magazine and 10 in the fixed magazine. Ammunition handling is fully automatic with ramming and loading of projectiles and charges. It has a minimum firing range of 5 km and a maximum firing of 41.5 km with the RFBBB, extended range full bore, base bleed propellant, and extended range artillery ammunition. The Zuzana II fires all standard NATO 155mm shells. This self-propelled gun howitzer is capable of both direct and indirect firing. The Zuzana II can carry 3 main types of ammunition, including standard high-explosive shells, extended-range high-explosive shells and high-explosive anti-tank shells for direct firing at an armored targets. The range of fire depends on the shell and charge combination. The maximum range of fire is 41 km with rocket-assisted shells. A total of 40 shells are carried by this artillery system. Ammunition is stored in conveyors. Beds and conveyors are universal for all 155mm shells and charges. There is a fuse setter for automatic setting of electronic fuses. This artillery system can launch 6 shells within the first minute or 16 shells within 3 minutes. Manual loading is possible if the autoloader fails. Manual rate of fire is 2 shells per minute. Sustained rate of fire is around 1.5 shells per minute. This artillery system is capable of multiple round simultaneous impact firing, MRSI. It can launch a couple of shells at different trajectories in order for them to hit the target simultaneously. The Zuzana II has an automatic gun laying mode. Firing data is calculated by the onboard computer and the gun is laid on the target automatically. This artillery system is fitted with navigation system. Onboard fire control system allows to operate with digital maps. There is also a roof-mounted 12.7mm machine gun for self-defense.